Oh wow, that's too big. Alright guys, Jacob here from Leonidas Airsoft. Another unpackaging, unboxing video. I got this in the mail today. I don't know what it is. It's pretty light. It says it's 8 ounces. Been getting the random stuff for my birthday and for Hanukkah. As you should know, I'm Jewish. So, I'm gonna open this bad boy up. Alright. No, would you look at that? It is. If that's it. It is. The Sapien Arms propane adapter. I have wanted this for quite a while. Since I did order my gas pistol. The plastic ones are better than the Madball ones that are metal because the tips do not rip your O-rings on any of the GBB pistols on the magazines. So if you use propane, you can use it without having to go through that bullcrap. Also, if you have a gas can, one of those durable boys, you can put this on there, or you can just fill your thing up, except for the gas can comes with this, but that one's metal, so I would replace it. That's what my friend did. I would buy a different silicone oil than what's come with it, because the silicone oil is not really suggested. So I would get some P-Force, which works great. So we're in my room, got my digital camo bedspread. So I'm gonna open this one up. I'm gonna see the oil here. Oh, that's the light. I want that back on. Silicone oil for airsoft GBB use only, it says. I'm gonna put that off to the side here, because I'll get to what we really want to see. Here we go. That is what we want to see. It is neon green, which I like. Didn't really get a choice, but I still like it anyway. Screw this one onto the propane. Screw. And you push down. See how it pushes down? And that opens up this valve right here and allows the propane to go from the tank up to the top of the funnel, or whatever spout you want to call it, and into your magazine, or gun, if you have one of those odd ones. If you unscrew this, see, it goes. If you unscrew this, usually they come separate. If you unscrew this right here, see there's an O-ring in there. You want to make sure that stays on there. Doing this with one hand is kind of bad, considering it's on my phone. Man, I'm really not doing this real well. It's gonna take me forever. We're almost there. We are almost there. There we go. And that comes off. And that's where you put your silicone oil in that little slot right there. And then you screw that back on, which I'm not really going to do. And then you push, and the propane shoots through there and mixes with your silicone oil, so you don't have to use green gas, because green gas is extremely, ridiculously expensive. So I highly recommend it. So, thank you all viewers. This has been Jacob from the United Airsoft, and have a great day.